Kipat ba karilum Jaintia haduk menta kila beteng ban Pyrshah ya kejingwan kit ya dewiong na ke jylla Assam syake karkhana kibadon hakane ke jylla bat bandawa na ke sorkar ban pensange no sisendon ya kani klem da kensho ya ke lockdown kibelami pat ba syasurong ban Pyrshah ya kani. Haka katlai tarik menta ubenai jemang hajar arpo kipat ba rengkat keseng bhalang berper kilami pat ba ban penpau biang ya kejing Pyrshah halor kejing beteng kejing wankit ya dewiong na ke jylla Assam syaki karkhana penmi dobilat kibadon harilum Jaintia kamtam ha East Jaintia Hills District. Watlah hakani kathan na kalyang kibor penyai district gila penjari da ke section Shispa Sampau Sau CRPC ban khanglat na kejing lumbun beriu sijaka hendai da kejing ngobitar palat ya kejing ailat ke sorkar ban wan kit ya dewiong na ke jylla Assam syakane ke jylla watlah ke jylla kadang don bun dewiong ubala dapti lepa kipat ba bat kisang bhalang gila penkhen ya ke kendon bamana banyalum hakani ke rukom. Hadian balayok jingtip halo kani ke jingmi kipat ba bandawa na ke sorkar ban amsha wan kit ya dewiong na ke jylla Assam na kalyang Deputy Commissioner ke East Jaintia Hills District uba FM Dop ringkat Superintendent of Police kani hi ke district Vivekanand Singh Rathore kilalat pensung thu kipat ba kumju ikiseng bhalang banyak prano na kani ke jaka. Hendrai hadian bekipat ba kimsim layapra na kalyang udisi ulakot yakren no tang ya kinongelam seng bhalang. Bat hadian balaya keren sungtu kini keseng bhalang kila aipor sau sengi ya ke sorkar ban pen urlong ya ke jingdawa jongki. Halor kini ke benta layok ru ban tuat jingmut no mentirang ba ke jylla ukonrat kongkal sangma ubala keren syai halor kini ke jingwanrah ya dewiong na ki weipat ke jylla Syah Meghalaya.
Ladu ketunya tarik ida kesok lagi, ndai ida abe ida ong disia isnau ha, nda ong dipuli da isnau ha, sangai no gani to ya kelam stai ida ya kelam yaki, nado SP, hado DGP, imem cek igi trok, ndai yo igi trok ko kit muyong lagi man gesni. Iya don negesni, imem telasi igi trok, telasi jisen telasi, sem sekia di hatu gesni, kama arfa artali, ndai maman gesni. Ki pulit bon kam ngi kate dadang step ulai skot ki agagari ki muyong nai tai na chachre hadu apoi malidor hadu apoi factory jite man gesni heni por de wara ki man vidi pilang ki wa kamnu yada yonu kyang jingpang yaman vidi pilangi dia kre elangi churup wa police department churup kat kam pa audisi ndrei lada ka sorkar maaf go ya gani jing dawa yang I ndrei hadin susni I usangai no I mikre lang I bu sorkar larjia ki bru yang I go wan nabar yang state I ule kurun tanya cinong le imle di chong ha jing ba khle yang disi geliang yang I kerpari ke sorkar snawa sangai no yang muyong wanrah na po Assam khnawa yo ulai ujia ini waro.
So once that was approved, we had certain clarifications that Coal India had asked for. So I had a discussion with the Honourable Coal Minister about 10 days back. I wrote a letter also to him, and after his intervention, the permission was given, and so now we are in the process. And I think hopefully very soon, very soon I should say, maybe a week or 10 days time, we should be able to float the necessary expressions. Not we, sorry, the concerned authority, which is Government of India's authority, which will be floating the auctioning. Well, I can understand their concerns, but it's really a matter of legality, and therefore, though their concerns are there, their emotions are there, the fact that this coal is coming from outside, we have our limitations because of the legal challenges that we faced, and therefore, at this point in time, we are trying to resolve it. So, therefore, I would request all of them to understand the current situation and give the government time, and very shortly we should be able to resolve this.
Will government take action, because this is the time when we do? Government has to not allow people to break social distancing, but
yeah, we will. We have asked already DC and SP to take necessary action, and accordingly we will try to resolve the situation.